What does your father do?
He's a teacher.
Do you think I'm acting weird?
No, you seem fine.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Can you hear me?
Could you say that again?
Do you know us?
Yes, I know your friends.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Do you know that hotel?
No, I don't.
Why are you asking?
I need some information.
Do you know him?
Yes, he's a friend.
Do you like rap music?
Yes, I do.
What do you have?
I have some money.
What do you need?
I need help.
What do you want?
I want to talk to you.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Do you want money?
Yes, for groceries.
What does Zara do?
She's a nurse.
When do you study?
In the evening.
Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles.
Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play on weekends.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Do you like surfing?
Yes, I do.
Why did she do that?
She was upset.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes, I am.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a tattoo?
No, I don't.
Do you have a ticket?
No, I need to buy one.
Do you have blankets?
No, I don't.
Do you think I'm overweight?
No, you look great.
What should I do now?
You should rest.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I do.
Do you need this book?
Yes, I need it for class.
Do you think I'm unattractive?
No, you're very attractive.
Do ghosts exist?
I don't think so.
Do you donate to charity?
Yes, I do.
Do you have everything?
No, I still need a few things.
Do you want to be rich?
Yes, I do.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher.
What do you want to do?
I want to finish my work.
Where do you feel pain?
My head hurts.
Will you do me a favor?
Yes, I will.
Do you feel like eating?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Do you talk to your dog?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you think I'm foolish?
No, not at all.
What do you do in Japan?
I work there.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, I have two.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you drive?
Yes, I have a license.
Do you eat granola often?
No, not very often.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to relax.
What do you do on Sundays?
I rest and spend time with family.
What time do you go home?
Around 6 p.m.
Who do you think you are?
I'm just me.
Do you deliver on Sundays?
Yes, we do.
Do you know where he went?
I think he's out for lunch.
Do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I do.
Do you think I'm handsome?
Yes, definitely.
Do you think I'm at fault?
No, I don't think so.
Do you think I'm tall?
No, you're perfectly fine.
How many kids do you have?
I don't have any.
What do you want to drink?
I'd like some water.
Where can I catch the subway?
At the main station.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Do you go to school by bus?
Yes, I do.
Do you know where he lives?
Yes, he lives in Miami.
Do you think it's my fault?
No, I don't.
How long do I have to wait?
About 30 minutes.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
When do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like tennis?
Yes, I play often.
Do I need to study?
Yes, it's important.
Why did he leave?
I think he had an emergency.
Why are you crying?
I'm feeling overwhelmed.
Does he use public transport?
No, he drives his own car.
Does your dog ever bite?
Occasionally, but not often.
Where do you work?
I work in a hospital.
Why did he quit?
He wanted to start a new job.
Do you know why she's upset?
She's been having a tough time.
Why did you say that?
I was nervous.
Does Nancy want a dog?
Yes, she does.
Why didn't you call me?
I was busy with work.
Does she like oranges?
Yes, she loves them.
Where does it hurt?
My shoulder is sore.
What time is your flight?
It's at 3 p.m.
Does he live here?
Yes, with his family.
What does she do for a living?
She works in finance.
When does it start?
It starts at 9 a.m.
What does this mean?
It means you're appreciated.
When does the bus come?
At 5 p.m.
Does she speak English?
Yes, she speaks fluently.
Does Jenny like strawberries?
Yes, she does.
Does she know French?
No, she doesn't.
How does he go shopping?
He drives a car.
What does your brother do?
He works as a graphic designer.
Does it hurt to chew?
Yes, it's quite painful.
Does that price include tax?
Yes, it does.
Does this hat belong to you?
No, it's not mine.
Does Jenny carry a gun?
No, she does not.
How many books does he own?
He has around 50 books.
When does hockey start?
It begins at 7 a.m.
When does the club open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
What time does the first train leave?
At 5 a.m.
Does he know you love him?
Yes, he knows.
Does he study English regularly?
Yes, he does.
Does it snow a lot in winter?
Sometimes, but not always.
Why aren't we going home?
We're still visiting friends.